The following video contains use of a BB gun. Do not use a BB gun without adult supervision.
Hello guys, it's my first day on my channel. It's me, Xander, and we're going to be shooting this Pepsi can. We've tried this before. It's super cool. When you shake it up, they like explode. So we're going to be shooting it on that log pile. And yeah, we'll see you when I shoot it. Now we're going to shake it. Shake it really good. Probably good now. And put it right there. And we'll shoot it. Okay, I just shot it. Let's go check it out. Look at that giant hole. Oh, there's a hole right there. That's where it probably came out. That's crazy. Wow. BB's gone. Okay, so that was the end of the video, and that destroyed it. So maybe next we'll shoot Dr. Pepper or something else, but maybe we'll go hunting. I don't know.